hope this is where I'm standing. I hope it's in focus. I don't know how to record on this thing. I don't know if it focuses as I go. I don't think it does. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. We're making Hawaiian haystacks. I'm gonna eat this chicken right now. First thing you want to do is cook your rice. That takes the longest. So I'm pouring the rice into a 1 cup measure. And the reason why I'm pouring it over a strainer is because obviously I spill it because I purposely want to do a heaping cup. And then I will rinse it off. Now I'm just adding salt and onion powder and 1.5 cups of water, and I'm just stirring it all together. And then when you put the lid on, you want to make sure that you have it set to seal and not venting so that the pressure will build and your rice will cook. And I set it for 25 minutes and then do a 10-minute natural pressure release. We got this rotisserie chicken from Costco, so now I'm just gonna rip it apart so that I have the chicken ready for the gravy or sauce, whatever you call it. Unfortunately, my camera died, so I had to go to my phone. So sorry, the quality is gonna be phone quality now. But I'm going to work on the sauce. So you basically make this the way you would make mac and cheese. So you start with butter. While I let the butter melt, I am going to start chopping up an onion. And I'm also going to get all of our toppings ready. So what you put on your Hawaiian haystacks is totally up to you. But as far as the sauce goes, it's just melted butter, onion, garlic, salt and pepper, half and half, vegetable stock, and Greek yogurt. Cut my finger while I'm recording.
Yes, I could because your knife skills are awesome.
Gee, thanks. People don't watch me because I'm Gordon Ramsay.
Well, you should be.
I should be? Speaking of which, there's a new Master Chef on.
Yes.
Now I will add the onion and let that cook on medium, and after just a minute or two I will turn the temperature down to low and add the garlic. You do not want to burn the garlic because then it will get bitter and disgusting. So make sure you turn the temperature down, and with cast iron, because it holds heat so well, you'll want to actually take it off the burner for a second so that it can cool down a little bit quicker. I forgot to mention that flour is in the ingredients for the sauce because this is how you make a bechamel. You add flour to the butter and you basically create a paste. So this is what will help your sauce to be thick. Some people like to use cornstarch. I personally don't. So this will help you to have control over how much liquid you're adding. So obviously the more liquid you add, the runnier your sauce will be. And then you can just eyeball it from there, how much of the half and half and vegetable stock you want to add. I truly just eyeball it, so I'm sorry that I don't have any measurements for you. I just add a little more vegetable stock or chicken stock if you want, a little more half and half. You could even do milk. It's really entirely up to you. You just want to whisk it and turn the heat onto medium so that it can thicken up. And then after that, you just want to put it back down to low to let it simmer. The rice is doing its 10-minute natural pressure release, so that's what this L02 is showing you, is that it's been releasing for 2 minutes. So we want it to do it for 10 minutes. I'm adding a little bit more veggie stock and then seasoning the sauce now with pepper, salt, and I added some parsley as well. What I'm doing now is opening a can of pineapple, and then I'm actually going to drain it a little bit and put some of the pineapple juice into my sauce just for some yummy sweetness. I was just grabbing the shredded coconut for the toppings, and then I'm going to add the chicken to the sauce, and you want to just let that simmer, let the chicken absorb all the yummy sauce, and let the chicken yumminess get into the sauce. Now that the 10 minutes is up, I will turn it off. The rice is done cooking. I just drained those green olives, by the way. They're just a topping. Now I'm going to add the Greek yogurt, which gives it some lovely tanginess. You guys, this obviously is not a healthy dish. There's tons of butter, cream, you know, it's not healthy, but it's so good. So now that the rice is done cooking, I just fluff it up, and the sauce is done as well. So you just put the rice in a bowl, add all the sauce, add whatever toppings you want. Pineapple, olives, tomatoes, coconuts, green onions, whatever those weird crunchy Chinese things are. You can put whatever you want on it. That's how you make it without using any canned cream of crap. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.